Hey y'all, welcome back to my video. I'm so excited to share this video with y'all. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how we achieve this Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. So today I have with me my girl Precious Jobel. She is a hairstylist and wig stylist in Atlanta, Georgia. I'll drop her social medias in the description. So if y'all are ever in Atlanta, y'all book with her to get y'all wigs done. She also sells the best quality hair too. Make sure y'all check her out on Instagram, TikTok, and I'll drop her YouTube as well because she does a lot of like skincare videos too. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you find these makeup tutorials extremely helpful. And if you do like them, please go ahead and like this video, and better yet, subscribe to the channel because I will be dropping many more tutorials. If you are not new here, welcome back. Thank you for tuning into yet another video. And if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and let me know down in the comments, what type of videos do you want next? What do you want to see? What type of tutorials do you need? What do you struggle with makeup? What questions do you have? What do you want to learn more of? Just let me know in the comments so I could be sure to make videos on those topics for you. Make sure y'all watch this video until the very end. You don't want to miss any details. Now let's get back into the video. As you see, we've already done her brows and we've already done the foundation. We mixed foundation. I believe I mixed the shade Macau and the shade Tahoe from NARS. If you know, you know. You gotta have those two shades in your kit. And here we're going in with her concealer. As y'all already know, we put the concealer under the eyes, the forehead, the nose, the chin, the top of the lip, all those areas. We do this time after time. Y'all done seen it. And if you haven't seen it, go ahead and watch the other videos that I've uploaded for you. Now we're going to bronze / contour the cheeks with a shade that is 1 to 2 shades darker. So along the cheeks and along the hairline and down the bridge of her nose. Down the bridge of her nose into the beginning of the eyebrow. She likes a very snatched contour nose, so we're gonna snatch the nose on this one. Mixing in that bronzer into the concealer, just giving it that seamless blend. We don't want to have any harsh lines. We don't want to see where the concealer starts and where it meets the bronzer. We want to blend all that in nice and neatly, properly, smoothly, and seamlessly. Y'all see me get my content off of my phone. I gotta make my reels for y'all too. So make sure y'all check me out on Instagram as well, TikTok, Facebook, every social media. Blend out the concealer, gonna blend the concealer into the bronzer just to give it that smooth, seamless blend. Again, y'all, everything about makeup is about blending. Everything needs to be blended properly. And then we decided to do a bright under eye, so I did go in with another concealer that was another shade lighter, just because we want to do that super glam bright under eye look. So y'all see the fan. Y'all know I love my fan. She's holding the fan for me to let that concealer dry down. Have your client look up so you could blend into those under eye creases. And again, going back in with that foundation brush to once again blend out that area where the concealer and the bronzer meet for a smooth finish. For a seamless blend. Topping it with some loose setting powder. Y'all know I love my setting powder from Huda Beauty. Have your client look up again to set those under eyes. I like to build up the layer. So as you see, I'm just going with a little bit at a time to give it that smooth finish. I feel like if you work your way up with everything, you always get a smooth finish. So you don't gotta go in heavy-handed. Just work your way up with every step of the makeup. Yes, that nose is looking so good. Y'all, matter of fact, I want you to just take a minute. I want you to pause the video. I want you to just look at how good her nose looks right now. Like, just examine the nose. Just take a look. The nose contour looks so good right now. I'm so satisfied. All right, on to topping off with bronzer. Cheekbones, forehead, nose, a little bit at the jawline, all those same areas. We're basically just going over the wet products with the dry products. We are setting the liquid makeup with powder makeup. Your blush should set right on top of the bronzer. We're also going to just let her bake just for a minute. Going back in with the same brush that I used for the bronzer and the blush. No extra product was added here. I'm just going in with just the brush and the product that was left on there previously. Now on to the eyelids, y'all. We're just gonna do something real simple for her. So we're just gonna just do a little bit of brown in her eyelid area. And don't y'all just love to see makeup come together? Like, when you look back from the start to finish, it just comes together so beautifully. Pop them lashes on there. Yes, yes. Let me check them lashes. Those feel good? All right, cool. Moving on to the lips. I told y'all we're gonna go, or maybe I didn't tell y'all. We're doing a red lip today, y'all. So it's a Valentine's Day theme look. So we're gonna do the dark liner and ombre it with the red. Y'all know that go-to lip combo. Dark liner, ombre it out with the red. Can't miss. So we're just gonna line her lips, y'all. And then pop that red on the center. Give it that ombre effect. And y'all see it's already coming together so beautifully. Like, I know y'all see the vision already. So beautiful. I'll leave the lip details down in the description. Yeah, we're gonna wrap this up here. What we're gonna do now is just finish her off with a little bit of pressed powder, dusting away that loose setting spray with a pressed powder that is a little bit closer to her skin complexion. We're gonna finish this off, y'all. I hope that y'all have enjoyed this video. And if you did find this video to be helpful, if you enjoyed watching this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on post notifications for me.